And the much-awaited PBA All-Star Weekend kicks off in Pangasinan, but some basketball stars just can't wait long enough to share some fun with their fans. Lynn Olivario has that story.
After a series of All-Star Weeks held all throughout the country, the PBA decided to concentrate on one place this year. The All-Stars went back to Luzon after 7 years, with the last sole northern destination being Lawag, Ilocos Norte back in 2012.
Ngayon nakakonsentrate na tayo sa Pangasinan. So 4 na araw tayo dito, outreach, may home court din tayo dito, pupunta sa mga ospital, pupunta sa mga malls at yung mga barangay.
Homecoming naman ito para kay CJ Perez at Marion Magat na Tubong Bautista at Santa Barbara, Pangasinan.
Sarap sa feeling kasi yun nga, first All-Star ko dito pa sa hometown ko. Then, yun nga, it's an honor na mapasama dito. Dami. Dito sa Kalasya, yung puto, masarap yung puto dito. And mga pinakbet, mga gano'n.
Siyempre, overwhelmed tapos exciting kasi dito nga sa Pangasinan ginanap yung event. And papakita ko yung magiging masaya yung mga kababayan ko. Yun. Puto. Yun, usually nga. Tapos bangos, bagoong.
One of the highlights of the PBA All-Stars is the battle between the rookies and sophomores against the juniors, who are composed mainly of former Gilas cadets.
Oh, it's a lot of fun, man. A lot of these guys, I came when I first moved here. These are my roommates. I used to live with Pogoy, Mike, and si Bello.
Nakakamiss din pala nung yung halos lahat magkakasama kami. So lahat Gilas and then ngayon kasama ulit. So excited ulit para bukas yung game.
Mula naman sa dating magkaribal sa NCAA, magkakampi ngayon si CJ Perez at Robert Bolick para sa rookies at sophomores.
Roommate mga kami. So, tumatawag siya, salita siya ng Pangasinan, Ilocano. Ako tumatawag ako ng Bisaya ako, so siguro nagkakaintindihan naman kami dalawa.
Timing lang siya eh. Tsaka Mobile Legends yun si Robert. Okay naman.
The former Sinbeda stalwart is also excited to play against his idol, Gio Halalon, and has some things on his bucket list to do against Matthew Wright.
Siyempre si Gio ulit. Gawin ko ulit yung ginawa ko sa college. Hampasin ko na siya, hampasin. Siguro di naman tatawag ng foul dito so hampasin ko lang siya. Gusto ko post yan si Matthew Wright.
Go ahead, if you can try to post me up, then I'll give you a shot. But you gotta guard me too, Bolick.
So who has the edge in the matchup?
I think we're going to win. We're more talented than they are. We've been together longer than they have. And yeah, I'm going to put my money on the junior team.
Mas go hard lang kami siguro kasi sila mga medyo veterano na sila kaya tatamad-tamad na yung mga kaya yun na lang advantage namin siguro. Mabilisan yan.
Idol din yung kabila pero kami mapapatalo siyempre. Hindi kami mapapabuli. Rookie. Bahala na.